Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll look at non-cash contributions. If a contribution is that of property rather than cash, additional records must be kept. The receipt, letter, or written communication from the organization must include the name of the charitable organization, the date and location of the contribution, and a reasonable description of the property. The amount of a non-cash contribution determines what additional records or information must be kept. Additionally, if the gift was, quote, a qualified conservation contribution, end quote, the records must also include the fair market value of the underlying property before and after the gift and the conservation purpose furthered by the gift. Here is a chart that details the necessary records.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.